So, my name is Rhett North. I am technical sales support with Pharos Architectural Controls, and we're showing off our Express line today. So these are permanent installation for architectural controls, so they can stand alone. All of the programming for what you would want the lights to do is native within the software. You can also control with a mobile app, and then we expand as we get more complicated installations into our accessories. So if you need more DMX runs, you need to control lots of dolly fixtures. If you want to be able to interface directly using our touch screens, pretty much everything, spaces, tag sets. We can also even control monitor content with integration with things like rAVe. So on this monitor, if I press a button on the touchscreen, I can tell the monitor what we want it to play, and we can showcase our software a little bit more smoothly. We can integrate with lots of different protocols. We have a fixed HTTP API as well as a cloud API and capability for I/O communications over digital inputs, contact closures, serial, and UDP, and then integration with a variety of technologies including Crestron, QSys, Lutron, and many more. So if you're interested in more information, visit pharoscontrols.com.